Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to withdraw crypto to fiat like USD or euros. We're gonna do this all on Binance. It's super easy. Sell your crypto, then cash out to your bank card. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account on the website or app. Make sure your account is KYC verified. This means you've submitted your identification. It's required for fiat withdrawals, so don't skip it. Next up, go to your Fiat and Spot wallet. Find the crypto you want to sell like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click sell. Pick your fiat currency, for example USD. Enter how much you want to sell and hit confirm. Check the fees first though, they're usually small. Once done, the cash lands in your wallet. Now, in the same wallet, click withdraw. Choose your fiat currency again, then pick your method, bank transfer or card. Add your bank details or card info, enter the amount and double check everything. Confirm it with your two-factor authentication code. The bank transfers take a few days, but the cards can be faster. That's it guys, you've turned your crypto into cash. Quick tips, make sure your details are right and check what options work in your country. Some places have different rules. For more help, visit Binance's support page and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.